If your Diablo 4 is getting stuck on loading screen, here are some quick fixes that actually work. First thing, check your internet connection. Diablo 4 is always online, so even a small drop can freeze you on the screen. Restart your router or try a wired connection if you can. Next, go into battle.net or Steam depending on where you installed and run a scan and repair on the game files. Corrupted files are one of the most common causes. If that doesn't help, update your graphic drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, whichever you use. Outdated drivers can cause long loads or freezes. Another fix is clearing Diablo 4 cache. On Windows, head to C, then Users, then your name, app data local battle.net/cache, and delete the folder, then restart the game. If you're on console, try a full power cycle. Shut it down, unplug it for 30 seconds, then boot it back up. And finally, check if the servers are having issues. Sometimes it's not you, it's Blizzard. So internet, repair files, update drivers, clear cache, and check servers. That usually gets you past the loading screen and get back into the sanctuary. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.